Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we'll be showing you how to make the whiskey sour. Now keep in mind, you can make this cocktail in a coupe glass or a rocks glass. Today we'll be doing it in a rocks glass. First, add 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon. Next, add 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. Next, add a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Next, add egg white. Now dry shake. Now add ice and shake. Now fill a rocks glass with ice and pour. And finally garnish with a Luxardo cherry and lemon peel. And that's how you make the whiskey sour. Cheers.